Today we are playing air curling. Welcome to the Air Curler Super Cup. The weather is just right. The wind is giving us a little push. Who will win today? Ready, set, roll. Push it gently and watch it go. Zoom along the edge. It's super fun to play together. But let's be careful. Look around you. Take turns. First, grab some construction paper. Fold the paper in half. Stick them together with clear tape. You can fold the tape in different ways. That changes the shape of the wheel. Next, draw a big circle and a small circle. Draw a line between them. Now cut them out. You can make petal shapes or zigzag shapes. Use a plate or a cup. Trace around it. Then cut it out. Still need a circle. Here's a fun trick. Fold the paper in half. Cut a tiny triangle. Open it up. Look, a little hole. Put a pencil in the hole. Put another pencil in the middle. Turn it around. You made a circle. Now it's decorating time. Use colorful pens. Make it bright and fun. So pretty when it spins. Let's put the wheels together. Use clear tape. Stick the tape on the wing. Leave a little sticking out. Fold it over. Now add the other wheel. Tape it in the middle. Try rolling it. Wow, it moves. If the wings are too big, they will touch the ground. Trim them with scissors. Not too big, not too small. Just right. Now let's make the inside part. Use the outer paper. Close one side. Tape it. All done. Great job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.